Hello friends, welcome to the computer connection. My name is Gaurav Kumar. Hope you all are good. So if you are not able to search your particular file in the search bar of the Windows 11, so today I will show you how to fix this problem. Sometimes search features in Windows 11 doesn't work after update due to unusual reasons. In this case, you can rebuild the search index. So let me show you. Open the start menu, then search here index. Then click on indexing options, and here you have to click on advanced. So click on it, and after that under the troubleshooting click on rebuild, then click on OK. So it will take some time. Then click on close, and make sure after this process your problem will be solved. And if your problem solved, then don't forget like and subscribe for more related videos. Thanks for watching.